It's a silly song, but this is Silly Day. And it's a make-believe song, and I do it with the little kids all the time, and it's so much fun. So it goes like this. Hey, did you bring your bubble gum today? Yeah! Well, reach in your pocket and take out your make-believe bubble gum. Take the wrapper off. What color is your bubble gum? Red. Green. White. Put the wrapper back in your pocket. Now with your hand, we're going to take the bubble gum and throw it, pop it in your mouth, and chew until it gets real soft and squishy. Come on, go. Wait, Mama, swallow that. Chew it up. No smacking. Now with your hands, show me how big a bubble you can blow until it pops. Let's go, blow.
Watch your hair.
Blow. Watch them weaves. Let's go.
That way.
Everybody clap. Okay, it's all over your face, so take it out of your eyes. What if you got glasses? Behind your ears. Only get the bubble gum.
Leave that quarterback there.
Under your first chin if you're on the third.
No, I got some hair on my chin. I don't think so.
And out of your nose.
Oh.
And roll it up in a great big ball.
We know what you
Now take your hand and smack it. I'm stuck. Are you stuck? Say yeah. Yeah. Well, the only way to get unstuck is to sing the Sticky Bubble Gum song. And it goes like this. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubble gum. Sticking your hands to your knees.
I can't get them apart.
Stick. Sing with me. Sing. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubble gum. Sticking your hand to somebody else's hand. I'm going to start here, and anybody else who wants to, we're going to paint for about 30 minutes, so be ready. I do some cute stuff. Some masks, some pretty eyes. Some jewelry. And I charge for about $1 gram for jewelry.
Hey.
There must be diamonds on that jewelry. I don't know what you charge for. Okay, anyway, I'm going to set up real fast. I'm going to flat space.